Hey everyone, it's Ailani here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm excited to tell you about one of our new features for our Gen 2 cameras called Vivint Playback DVR. Let's get started. Every Vivint camera comes with smart clips for free, which records and stores up to 90-second clips when a person, package, or lurker is detected for quick retrieval. But with the Vivint Playback DVR upgrade, customers can enjoy 24/7 recording with up to 10 days of continuous video from up to 12 Gen 2 cameras. Playback DVR captures and stores video footage directly on your Vivint cameras for faster, smoother playback and easy recording and retrieval. When accessed through the Vivint app, Playback DVR allows you to view and download more footage and go to any time between the event markers when a person, package, or lurker was detected. Playback DVR allows you to see the full story. For example, you may not receive a notification if somebody is on your property, but if a neighbor has a bike stolen from theirs, your camera will record the thief. Important moments never slip between the cracks with the reliable functionality of Playback DVR. Vivint Playback DVR is a more complete solution than smart clips and can help you get the most out of your security camera video. Add Playback DVR for your Gen 2 cameras for $249.99, or if you have Gen 1 cameras, add Smart Drive for $349.99 for a similar experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notification so you know when we upload new content. Bye for now!